We're going to show you how to reset the wireless back to defaults for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 printer. Now you may need to reset the wireless if you have moved to a new location, or if you have changed your router, or even your internet service provider. So let's head over to the control panel. From the control panel, swipe down. Select wireless. Tap on settings. Scroll up until you see restore network settings. Select that. Let's restore the original network settings of the printer. The network defaults have been restored. So this is how you restore or reset the wireless settings for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 printer series.